Hello everyone, kind of a random pop in here. I just wanted to let you guys all know that today is the last day you can register for my paper share. It is for the July-December mini catalog. I have two options over on my blog for you to choose from. So hello, Lynn. So I just wanted you guys to know that when I did my paper share for the annual catalog back in, I believe it was May, I had set it on the blog that I had a certain date of a cutoff date for the registration, because then the following day is when I order all the supplies to ship out to you guys. Hello, Noreen. So I just wanted to let you guys know that today is the last day to register for my paper share, because tomorrow I will be ordering the product. So there are two options over on my blog, so you can check that out. The link is in the description of this video. Kept sounding like somebody was knocking on the door. So I just wanted to give you guys the heads up for that, because like I was saying, when I did my annual catalog, a lot of people after the fact were messaging me saying, is it too late to get in on that paper share? And unfortunately it is, because I have to order all the paper at a set time. Hello, Magna. I actually sent your card out today, Magna, so be on the watch. I found the extra copy that I had made, so it just went to the mail lady. So be expecting that card, and please let me know when you do get it. So I just wanted to throw that out to you guys, because like I said, that there were, hello, Noreen, to let you guys know that when the cutoff date is today. So just so there's no surprise, that if you message me after the fact and I say, I may possibly have a couple extra packs of things, but I want to make sure that when you register, you get all the things that you are ordering. So go check out the details. Like I said, it is in the description of this post. Also, today is the last day to get the Sending Good Thoughts paper pumpkin. You can take the quiz. I have this graphic posted on this Facebook page here. You can simply click on it and go in and read the details about the quiz that you can take. So this is supplies for 9 cards, 3 each of 3 designs, and 9 coordinating envelopes. So it is that nautical themed paper pumpkin kit. There is a way that if you go into my store, you can just purchase a prepaid card for only 1 paper pumpkin. If you decide that you, hello, Jerry Ann. If you do not want to subscribe, that is absolutely okay. So you can go in and buy a prepaid subscription card that will just pay for 1 kit, so you don't have to sign up for anything. And also, the other thing that I wanted to tell you guys is that we have mystery stamping, and I understand that all these graphics are backwards for you guys because I am mirroring myself. So mystery stamping, on Wednesday I posted the supplies for this month, for the month of July's mystery stamping that we have coming up. So look for this graphic. It'll be correct for you guys when you see it. Look for it over in my events, and you can always hit that going button on there, and that way you will get notifications of whenever I post anything in that event. Like I said, supplies are listed on there. You can also find over on my blog, stampinthepinkbarn.com, you can find more details about what a mystery stamping even is, and when all the the things come out about it. And again, the supply list is listed there as well. So for this month, the winner will receive the Simply Chamois. So I am giving one of these away to any of the participants that join me in my mystery stamping. And so the way that works is after Wednesday the 13th, when I go live, I will make the card with you guys, and if you don't make it right on that day, that's okay. I give you a week. I've extended the time, so on Wednesday, the 20th is when I will be doing the drawing. So the way you get entered in that drawing is you simply make the card out of the supplies that I have listed for you. So everybody's card is going to be different because we're all going to be using different paper, right? It does not have to be Stampin' Up. I allow you to use whatever products you have. Just follow the description in the video that I show you, so you are making the same design that everybody else is. So that's kind of the way that a mystery stamping works. You gather your supplies. We all make the same layout card. Yes, people get fancy with it and they turn the layouts, and that's fine, just as long as it is using the same supplies that and dimensions that I have given. You will then, after Wednesday the 13th, after I am done doing the video, the live video, I will take a picture of the card that I have made. I will post it over in my group, which is Pink Barn Stampers group. So if you're not a part of that, join that and I will let you in. You will see the picture of the card that I have created. You will simply snap a picture of it with your device, camera, phone, whatever you use, and then add it to the comments under my photo of my card. That's what enters you in to win one of these amazing Simply Chamois. And if you do not have one of these, I highly recommend you purchasing 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 because they are awesome. They never go bad. So I like to have quite a few of these on hand because when I invite people over and we stamp and do that kind of stuff, or when I have my in-person stamping classes, I let everybody, use one of these because typically once they try this on their stamps to clean their stamps off, they're sold. I mean, it's just the way it is. So I am going to be giving one lucky winner out of a random, I'd use a random.org type thing to let you guys, everybody has a chance to do it. And it's not off of skill. It is simply off of you participating and shooting me a picture in that comments of the card that you've created. Okay, one more thing before I'm done here, because I'm getting ready to head out the door. I have to take my daughter in to see her PCP, but I will give you guys all the rundown on everything that has been crazy going on in my life, and I don't want to cry, so I'm gonna not even go there right now. This is simply to just let you guys know about the things that are going on, so I get it out to everybody so there's no surprises when that registration closes as of tonight for that paper share. Also, if you have been thinking about joining my team and signing up as a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, either as a discount shopper or to start your own business, because hey, we don't judge, we let you do it how you want. Right now, the join special, and sorry, the window back here is, the blinds are open, so there's an awful glare, but hopefully you guys can see this. It is right now when you sign up to join my team, they are giving you an extra join special. You get this super cool planner, and I wanted to actually open it for you guys here to show you how awesome this planner is, and it's the first time me getting to open it as well, so it's kind of a surprise for both of us. Oh, wow. This is really kind of nice. So I, as a demonstrator, and as you, once you sign up and become a demonstrator, you have extra little special perks to being a demonstrator where, once you're signed up, you have the option to buy things like these when we have our pre-order time for us, which is normally the month before our catalogs go live. So this is in the back of our new celebrations brochure, which I just had my celebration. Oh, here it is. Our celebrations brochure. You can find out all about that in the back of the catalog here. It talks about everything here. I've also posted all about this as well. So you can see all the things that are included with this. So you get to have this amazing, look at this. This is so cool. This might be something that I carry with me, especially when I have all these kiddos having doctor's appointments and all that, that I can carry insurance cards in here. I can do all my business stuff in here and keep it all nice and tidy. So that is the actual note or planner part of it, then look how thick this is. This is pages that are numbered that you can create and set up your planner how you choose. Oh, I might need, okay. I was gonna say I might need to use some scissors to get this sucker open. And again, I will show more in depth on this planner when I go live on our Monday. Oh, look, there's even stickers back here to decorate your cute little planner. Like I said, there's all these page tabs on here that you can set it up for the months. There's also these really cool separators that can separate each one of your months. So really cool graphics. These are beautiful, thick pages. They have a year in a glance here for 2022. There's a monthly focus sheet. So there's a lot in here. Plus, you get these three, these are called Making Plans Notebook Trio. So you will also get all three of these little notebooks. I'll just kind of show you the inside of those. So they're lined notebooks. You get three of those in our beautiful colors. And then here's the one with our florally print on it. And if that's not enough, they have also included this Making Plans stamp set as well. So I love when they do this, when they add extra perks to our joining promotion. So you can go to shop, S-H-O-P, Danny Gurrola, GURROLA.com, and that will take you to my landing page where all you have to do is hit that join button, and then it tells you all the things and all the perks that you get for joining my team. One of the other things that I did want to let you guys know is that when you join my team, not only do you get to get this wonderful planner here, but you also get to pick $125 worth of product and only pay $99 plus whatever your state tax is, and that includes free shipping. So 99 bucks plus whatever your couple of dollars of taxes, and you get to pick out of that annual catalog that just came out and our mini catalog, the holiday mini catalog that is currently rolling through right now. Beautiful catalog full of some amazing product. And look at this. I can open this catalog up for you. If you do not have one of these catalogs, please shoot me an email at stampinthepinkbarn@gmail.com and let me know that you need catalogs, and I'll get those in the mail to you. The only thing that I ask is that you make your purchases from me when I send you those catalogs, because it does cost me money to pay for the catalogs and ship catalogs out. So that is my one requirement, is that you shop with me once I send you the catalogs. All right, you guys. Hello, Jennifer. You guys have a great weekend. I hope your 4th of July was eventful. I will see you guys back here on Monday at 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Pacific time, if I even know what time zone I'm in. That is 7 o'clock Mountain, 8 o'clock Central, and 9 o'clock Eastern p.m. So I will see you guys on my Monday live. I will see you guys then. Bye-bye.